What's going on, YouTube? Alex back with another video. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're having a good Sunday. You're probably not having a good Sunday if you're holding cryptocurrency. Let me just not say that. The market is down a lot. So I'm just going to give you guys my thoughts on what I'm doing, what I did, and pretty much every detail I could possibly come up with. Is the markets done, or are we going to have some type of bounce? Okay, that's basically what I'm watching. So let me just be very clear with everybody. Last night, I got out of the market. Here, let me just show you guys. And I told you guys know I've been updating you guys that I'm getting in and out. I mean, this is the inefficiencies of YouTube. I cannot come on here and just drop a video. Like, it's really hard. The time I got out yesterday was literally like 11 o'clock at night on a Saturday night. It's my friend's birthday. I'm relaxing. And it's much easier for me to just pop into Slack, right? I popped into Slack. I made the trade. There's no way I can just jump on YouTube and make a complete video 11 o'clock at night. I just want to be very clear with everybody that the inefficiency of this is why I keep telling people to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I told everybody to go to Instagram and Twitter because I did actually call it last night. When I was selling, I said it last night on Twitter. I said it last night. This is easy for me to just pop in, drop in a text, right? It's a lot quicker. And I didn't do that for any other reason. I just trying to build efficiencies amongst my community and myself, right? So just really quickly, let me show you. Right around here, let me just make sure you guys can see it. Right here, we rejected. I got out of the market. And from there, we're down about 20%, right? And then we're looking at the total market capitalization. I mean, Ethereum's below $2,000. That's kind of bad. Bitcoin's at below $35,000. Guys, look, I'm not trying to increase the pain. Okay, let's just be very clear. If you have a small amount of money in the market, you probably should hodl. Probably shouldn't be trading. There's tax implications when you buy and sell. So if you're trying to trade, you should try to at least make 20% or more per trade. Now, I'm not perfect on all of those, and some of them will be less than 20%, but if you take a loss, you don't have to pay capital gains tax. Also, if not going to say anything on YouTube, but there's ways to get around it. But yeah, long story short, what do I think about the market? Okay, what do I think that's going on in the market? I think I'm bullish. Okay, I will say it's weird. Okay, I will say this is a premature ending. I think a lot of people have collaborated to make this happen. I think it's probably happened before. It has happened before. Nothing this crazy, but the market changed, right? It's a little bit bigger now, right? So, things that have never happened before, it's like always likely to happen. That's the game. That's literally, we can't predict the future. It's never going to be the same thing as history. I see people looking back in 2013, 2017, cycles, and they're using that as an indicator, and that's great. And I did the same thing too. But you have to remember that, it could be completely different this time. It most likely will be completely different this time. It's not going to track 2013, 2017. That's what everybody's doing. Most likely it is. So that being said, there is nothing, again, I want to be very clear with everybody because I see the general consensus on Twitter and YouTube. It's ridiculous. They're telling you to hold. I don't think that's necessary, guys. I think you need to clean up your portfolio, get them to smaller amounts of coins, get less altcoins, definitely have less altcoins, maybe just Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a couple of handful that you want to hold forever or whatever the case is, and start making some sell calls on what you think. Do not just hold. Right? Do not just hold. And I know before I've always said, you want to hold the dips because the market bounced back. It's going to do great, whatever the case is. But this is the best case we have ever had for the end of the bull cycle ever. We have ever experienced. This is the best case. So now it's like, it's risky holding these assets right now. It's too much risk for me, right? I originally called the top of my Slack group, and I've been basically scalp trading for 30-40% trades on my total portfolio. And I honestly, and I'm not trying to brag, I haven't felt the dip. My portfolio is slightly down in comparison to where it should be, right? And like, I genuinely think that makes me feel like I could make better decisions. Like I said, in my gut, I'm a bull. Right now, I'm a bull. I think the market's going to turn around, but I'm not stupid. I'm not going to hodl when it could be the end of the bull run. It could be, there's a good chance it could be the end. If I were to put a number on it, I think it's like a 60% chance that we're going to continue. And there's like a 40% chance. If you would ask me like 2 days ago, I would say 70-30. There's a 40% chance it could be the end right now. They could have manipulated all of us. I remember back in 2017, nobody called it. None of your favorite YouTubers, nobody smart, There's literally all these smart people saying that Bitcoin was going to go to 100K in 2017. All these smart people saying it was going to go 100K. None of them called the top. What they did is they held the whole time. They held the whole time. They already got other businesses making millions of dollars. A lot of you, this is the only thing you're doing. This is the only thing you're doing, so I understand. It's going to get emotional. Now, just to give you guys a spark of motivation, look, people, think long term. If you did not sell and you're holding this, do not sell at the bottom. Just let it go. If you invested too much, okay, obviously none of this is financial advice. I just want to be very clear, everybody. It's never financial advice. I'm just telling you my thoughts. If you put too much in the market, you put your life savings in the market, I'm going to be honest with you, nobody told you to do that. That was a rookie mistake. This is why people are feeling pain right now, because they put way too much money in the market. That's a rookie mistake. You should not have done that, okay? You should, I clearly say this in my strategy, I clearly say this on my YouTube. You should only invest what you're willing to completely lose. And it's times like this, like right now, times like this is where that's going to play out, because you're going to panic sell at the wrong time, right? It's funny because I just said, you should sell. I sold, guys, at not the top, but the recent top, okay? So that's not a panic sell. That's a execution of what I see in the market. That's all I did. I executed, I performed. That's performing under pressure. That's what I did, okay? But don't panic sell the bottom. If you have way too much invested, you got to take some off the table, pay your bills, make sure your bills are paid for the next couple of months, okay? And don't consider that a panic sell, because you're just doing what you have to do to survive, right? Now, if you have small amounts of money, remember, the market will come back. If this is the end of the bull run, we'll have a couple years before the block halvening. And when the block halvening comes into play, we're going right back to the moon. And this time it's really going to hit 100K and it's going to go crazy. So there's nothing wrong with having a 2 to 5 year plan. People think in month, day terms, right? Go get your life together. I'm going to be talking about a lot of entrepreneurship stuff. If it's the end, I'm going to talk about entrepreneurship, how to make money online, different strategies so you can accumulate more cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency and investing is just one aspect. I've told people this since the beginning of my channel. It's about investing. Yes, everybody should be an investor, but it's more about cash flow. It's more about cash flow and making opportunities for your life, okay? So that you can buy the dip, so that you can invest accurately, so you don't have to put your life savings to make big on crypto. You need to build your life, okay? That's more important than anything in this market. If there's one thing I can leave you guys with, the only thing predictable in these situations is yourself, your own knowledge, and your own dedication to your life. That is the only thing predictable. That's just the truth. And no bull run, no bear run could ever take that away from me. Okay, this is what I do in my life. I've been able to get success out of my life. Now, just to give you guys, again, some clarity. The bear run, if there is a bear run, if there is, I don't know if it's for sure. Again, I'm still a bull right now. But if there is a bear run, a nasty bear run, just like 2017, this is the best time by far to make money. Yeah, I've been talking about altcoins towards the end of the bull run, and some of them popped, some of them did horrible, right? That's just the truth. But I'm telling you right now, if the bear run's in place, this is how you get rich. I didn't get rich when the bull run already started. I got rich because I dove deep into the bear run with intensity while everybody was selling and panicking. And when Ethereum was at $70, $90, I bought ridiculous sums of Ethereum at $90, people, this last cycle. And I also bought a ridiculous amount of BTC at $4,000. That's the real gains right there. So switch the attitude, right? Think about this. Yes, you lost money, but you only lost money if you quit. If you quit and it's over for you, then yes. And then you want to come back next bull run and get dumped on again, that's your fault. If you want to come back only when the money is there and you want to get dumped on, that's your fault. But if you're smart, you come in the bear run and you make that money. And that's what I'm doing. And I'm not done. And I'll never be done. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. Did you really believe in it or not? Did you? This is where you're going to have to answer that question for yourself. You're going to have to answer that question for yourself. Did you believe in this technology? Do you believe in DeFi? Do you believe in NFTs? Because this right here is that answer for you, okay? This is where, riches are made. People don't get rich in bull runs. They get rich while everybody's crying blood in the streets. Guys, think about that, okay? Just gonna leave you with that right there, guys. That's my little update. I'm still a bull, but I'm not holding. Right now, I have a small percentage in cryptocurrency in comparison to my total portfolio. I'm waiting to buy the dip. With all that money, I'll let you guys know on Twitter and stuff like that. I will say it's a little bit lagged. Definitely, guys, keep up to date with the market. Let's double down. Don't be emotional. It's okay. Go for a walk. Get some sleep. I got this Aura ring. I've told you guys to get some sleep. I didn't mean to flick you off. I got this Aura ring. It's great. Get your diet in order. Drink some water. These are more important than money. If you're attached to money, you're feeling it right now. Let go. Money is irrelevant. If you change your skill set, the money will come to you. If you become resilient, the money will come to you. I promise that. So, again, let's wrap it up. I'm a perma bull. I still think it's bullish. I am not holding, even though I am a bull. I'm not holding right now. Okay? I'm looking to buy back in. That's my official kind of response to this. I need to see something very good for me to buy back in, like a serious bounce back for me to jump in. Right now, I'm not seeing that, okay? So I'm holding off, okay? And I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated, of course. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism. Subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. I promise you guys, I will tell you the truth and only the truth. I'm not going to go on YouTube and say that the market's going to come back when I don't think the market's going to come back. I'm just going to tell you guys what I'm thinking. I don't care about my reputation and credibility. I don't care that I've been calling bull run for that. I will take my losses. I will take my mistakes and face them head on. Every truth in my life will be faced head on. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry if these guys were telling you to hold through this massive dump. I'm sorry that they were telling you to hold. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about that, but this is the truth. Because somebody wise once told me the truth will set you free. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one.